Hello friends, my name is Pratik and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video, we are going to see that if you are using BHIM Indus Pay application and if you want to scan a particular QR and if you want to do the payment, then what are the steps involved in that I'm going to explain. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and without wasting any time, let's start the video. To scan a QR code and to do a payment from BHIM Indus Pay application, you have to open the application first. Once you start the application, it will ask you to enter 6-digit app PIN. So you have to enter the PIN, and then once the application is completely started, this is the kind of interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen right now. So as you can see, there are multiple things on the home screen. You will be able to see your name at the top. Below that, you will be able to see your UPI ID, and below that you will be able to see the last login date and time over here. And then you have pay option, scan QR code option, collect money option, and then you can see your recent transaction which you have already done. So now to scan a QR and do a payment, all you have to do is you do get an option of scan QR over here. So you have to select that particular option. After selecting that, we are on the next page, and on this page you will be able to see that there is a square box over here, and we have to scan the QR code in this particular area. So currently it is black because I've kept the mobile. So what I'll do is I will show you a QR code on the screen, and I will try to scan that QR code from this particular device over here. So let's do that very quickly. So currently on the screen you can see a QR code. Now I'm going to scan that QR code with my device. Once you scan the QR code properly, we are on the next page, and on this page you can see the person's UPI ID, of which we have already scanned the QR code, and you can check the full name of that person to whom we are going to transfer the amount. Below that you do get an option to enter amount over here, and below that you can see there is a remark option, so you can add a message or any particular remark with the transaction. And below that, as you can see, there are two options. You can check out your UPI ID and the bank account. Now in front of bank account, you will get a small toggle over there. If you click on bank, you will be able to check out the bank account which is already linked in this particular application. Now if you want to choose another bank, if you want the transaction to be done from another bank, you can select the particular bank over here. So currently this is my bank, IndusInd Bank, and I don't want the amount to be debited from IndusInd Bank. I want it to be debited from Kotak Bank. Then I will select that particular bank. So you can select the bank over here. Now I'll quickly enter the amount. For reference purpose, we will try transferring 2000 rupees, and in remark I will enter test over here. And once everything is been done, all you have to do is you have to click on pay option at the bottom. So after clicking pay option, we are on the next page, which is confirm transaction. So you have to check all the details on this page, and once it is confirmed, you have to click on confirm option. After that, we are on the last page, and on this page you can see it is asking us to enter the 6-digit UPI PIN. So I will do that and I will show you very quickly. I have entered the UPI PIN. It is taking some time to do the transaction, and once the transaction is done, you can see you will get an option of payment successful. So now you can see 2000 rupees is been transferred, and this is the UPI ID from which the amount got debited. This is the UPI ID of the person to whom you have transferred the money. You can check out the date and time of transaction, and below that you can see the reference number. So these are the simple steps which you have to follow if you want to scan a QR and do a payment in BHIM Indus Pay application. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.